This tool is a new improvement and was added to REDCap on March 9th, 2026 during a REDCap version change update. So some of you may have noticed it right away. Some of you may have seen it and said, has that been there this whole time? But that is new. And what this does is um, it allows you to, let me see, sorry. The section navigation box that always displays on the right-hand side of your data entry forms here allows you to quickly jump to different sections of your form. So just by a little click, I'm moving around the form and I'm not having to use my scroller to move around. Creating the section navigation menu, REDCap builds this section navigation menu automatically. So the section headers are generated every time you add a begin new section field. So I'll show you that here. So questions was a menu option, traveling, cravings, calories, and that is just by adding the begin new section here. So some key benefits of the navigation toolbar. Let me go open it up so I can show you. So just clicking the section title links will position the page onto the selected section with just one click. This navigation tool is very helpful for long forms. So this form's not too long, but if you had a really long one, this would be very helpful for that. The tool provides a visual separation by grouping related fields together to make the form less overwhelming and easier to scan. So depending on how your survey is set up, you may need to scroll between different fields. So this is helpful for some people. Some people, this is just in the way. So it does give you option if you click this question mark here and you copy this to hide it completely. We're going to copy it and we're going to go back to our CSS custom styling and we're going to paste that code in here, update and close it. Now, if we go back to that survey, it's going to disappear. The problem with it is that it only disappears from the instrument that you added it to. So you would have to add this to each instrument to make that disappear for all of them. But it is option to hide it. The only people who can do that are the users with project design rights. So if you do have project design rights and you don't want it, you want to hide it, you can do that. But if you don't have those, you would just have to speak with your project manager and decide if it's something that they agree with to change. And with that, that is all I had.